For me, independence is not being captive by someone. It's like I can do whatever I want, I can wear whatever I want, and even I can be creative, I can be free. It means a lot to me.
To me, independence is to do the things the way I want and to be creative without any restrictions.
In general, independence means when you are free from any kind of outside control or support, especially when a country or a region gains its political freedom from another country or a region. Just like our country got its independence in 1971 from West Pakistan. I think that's it.
For me, is to think outside the box, to create without boundaries.
Independence for me is being able to tell stories without feeling restricted.
Independence for me is being able to take my own decisions and having unlimited coffees while I work. While I get back to home, I should be in a peace of mind and safe and sound.
Independence to me is doing what I want to whenever I want to do it. It is the crucial step to adulthood.
Freedom is as natural as breathing. You got it by birth. Freedom is something for me. There is no obstacle in my path where I can fly like birds, move can waves. No one dictates my thoughts.
For being independent is to challenge the typical rules, to wear and to eat what I want. No, independence to me is what I say, what I want to say without being instructed.
But as George Washington has truly said, and I quote, "Liberty, when it begins to take root, is a plant of rapid growth." So, I think the tree of independence has been planted in 1971, and now we just have to take care of the tree and ensure its free and unrestricted growth.